Hey everybody, it's Allie, and today we tried on another BoxyCharm. Another one. So for those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. You pay $25 a month for the basic. They do have like a luxe version. I get the basic one, been happy with it for a very long time. You get 5 products, full-size products every month. I believe each box is guaranteed to value over $100 from my understanding. It's awesome. I love it. So I did a little try on version this time so you guys can see some of the products in action. If you are interested in BoxyCharm, I will leave a link to that down below. It is a referral link. If you want to go ahead and sign up, you can go ahead and use that link. So I tried on some of the products for you today so you can see what I got and what I think. All right, so the first thing that I saw is by Glow Recipe. It is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. This has magnesium, centella asiatica, and turmeric. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. I actually have been in the market for a new moisturizer. I have not found like my go-to moisturizer. And I like that this has turmeric. I believe that's supposed to help lighten and brighten your skin. Let's see. It says it's a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration. Ooh, this is so fancy looking. Ooh. Isn't that cute?
I haven't seen that.
Let's open it up and smell. You definitely smell like the banana in there. You smell the fruits. I'm going to just take a little dab. Just like that. I have not used anything by Glow Recipe. I just have a little bit here. I'm going to put a little bit on. That feels very moisturizing, actually. Feels very nice on the skin. I also do have very sensitive skin. I'm on a skin journey. It's a little complicated. If you want to take a look, I'll leave a playlist link to that below. But ooh, that feels very nice on my skin. I'm excited about this. And I used a tiny bit. This goes for $39. I'm gonna do like my face makeup real quick because I don't see any products in here that are for like face makeup. So let me do that real quick and we'll move on to the next product. So the next thing that I have is by Lime Crime. I have not used anything by Lime Crime. This is the Venus 3 palette. Ooh, this is very pink and purple-y. This goes for $38. So yeah, it has a lot of lilacs, a lot of pinks. Very cute. Very cute. All right, we're feeling a little spring moment here. I'm gonna prep my eyes with the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of that. Does this have a mirror? I don't even remember. I just opened it. Yes, it does. Okay, I'm gonna take the color Bliss here, put that in. Wow, pigmented. Okay. All right, let's buff that out. That is pigmented. Put it in the crease like that. So just a little tap, tap, tap. Just gonna like fluff that out a bit. Diffuse it a little. I'm gonna put this color, Beam. It's like a pearly lavender. Ooh, it doesn't look like, ooh, I think this brush doesn't work well. Okay, that looks like a little chunky with this brush. Let me use that same brush from before and see if that picks it up any better. I think that did pick it up a little bit better. Yeah, and when I put it on, it looked a little bit better. All right, so I'm using Beam. Just place that all over the, wow, that is like holographic. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. I don't know if it's because I put it on top of the pink. It's almost, I guess, would be better as like a topper because here on my hand, you don't see anything, but like, I don't know if you can see on my eyelid, it's like, it made any of that pink like neon. That's cool though. Get a little closer. Cool. I do like that. That is, wow. That went on better than I was expecting with the brush. I'm going to take this Rapture color, same brush, just doing the same brush. Put that on top, see if that'll like tone it down a bit. And it kind of did. So you can see, so this has Rapture on top to like tone it down. This doesn't. I don't know. Can you tell? I like this. I actually really do. All right, I'm going to use that color Ecstasy to kind of do like a wing moment right here. Maybe I'll do like a little wing, little something. See how the dark ones work. I have to say the quality of these shadows are very nice. I know like years ago, I want to say there was like a big issue with Lime Crime. Don't remember what it was, to be honest. I feel like I do wear like a good amount of like pinks and purples, but not like this. I'm excited about that actually. My wings are not even. All good. All good. Let's put a little mascara just to complete the look. Cool. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. I'll try to insert swatches. All right, the next thing that I see here is by Lavish. It is a wet brush cleaning system with a silicone scrubbing pad. I have not used this. I have used something that seems similar to this by Beauty Blender, which I really, really like that. The Beauty Blender cleanser, this cleansing solid. Ooh, this smells like coconut. Now this goes for $15. I really like these types of brush cleansers. You basically wet your brush, swirl it around in here. You can use the little silicone pad to scrub, and I feel like it does a really nice job. Generally, these types of cleansers do a nice job cleaning brushes. All right, so I will try this out. I love me a cleanser because I need to clean our brushes. The next thing in here that I see is by Cab Cosmetics. This, I believe, is by Kim Zolciak-Biermann. And this is a lip oil in the shade Honeydew. This retails for $20. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Ooh, it looks rather thick. She looks thick. Smells like candy. And it looks like candy. Maybe I'm just hungry. I don't know. It smells good. Okay. So I have a little bit of lipstick and lip liner on now. I don't have gloss or anything, but let's see. Ooh. Ooh. I like how that feels. It looked really thick. And it is thick, but like still like has a slip to it. It's an oil. But it's not sticky like a gloss because it's an oil. And you get that shine. Oh, I actually really like that. I'm trying to see if we get those, like, you know, those weird stringy things. I'm getting it a little bit. Can you see? Is that grossing you out? Because it's grossing me out. So we'll just do that. One of those. But it actually feels really nice. And I like how that looks on top of my lipstick. Okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. I also like Kim Zolciak-Biermann. I don't know. I think some people don't. I really like her. I love how she's so into her husband and her children, and I can relate. I love my husband and my children. Anyways, okay. The last thing that we have is by Maven Beauty, and this is a rose water setting spray. Interesting. It has water, alcohol. I don't know if I want to use this, to be honest. It's supposed to lock in your makeup. This goes for $22. It's supposed to set and lock in your makeup. It has antioxidant packed rose water. It says it's supposed to lock down makeup and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. I don't love the scent of rose, so I don't know. Let's see. Do I want it? Oh, okay. This is what she looks like. Let me shake it. I want to smell it. If it smells too strong, I might skip out on this. Sorry, we'll see. Okay. I don't know if I want to try this. It smells like very, it smells like alcohol. It's basically just, it smells like alcohol. All right, fine. I'll try a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, that looks wet. Okay. Let's see. One more time. Okay. We're going to spray that at a distance. But we'll see. Okay, not like the finest mist, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I think if I had it like close, I would have felt it big time, but now that it's on, I definitely smell the rose. I definitely smell like the alcohol, but it's not too bad. I hope it doesn't linger, but it's not too bad. I feel like I barely got anything on my face. I'm going to use more. I'm going to be that person being like, ooh, I don't want to use it. And then here I am drenching my skin in it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, not bad. All right, we're done. We're done. Okay. Okay, we're done. Okay, cool. So this box was fun. This was really nice. I'm so excited about the moisturizer. Oh, speaking of which, I feel like my makeup actually went on top of that really nicely. It felt really nice on my skin. Okay, I'm very excited about the moisturizer. Very excited about the eyeshadow, the lip oil, the cleansing bar for like the brushes. The setting spray, I'm like, it's fine. I don't know, I might end up loving it. So to recap, we got a moisture cream by Glow Recipe. We got an eyeshadow palette. We got a cleansing system, basically a brush cleaner. We got a lip oil and a setting spray. So this was really good. I'm very happy with this month's box. I feel like I'm gonna use all of these. So very exciting. And from what I used, I like what I used so far. So very, very good. This is definitely a good box for me. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get BoxyCharm. What do you guys get? Let me know if you like these little try on BoxyCharm videos so you can actually see the product in action, or if you just want me to show you what I got, I can do that too. Whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. Be sure to stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
We'll see, but yes. Okay, I'll be right there. She did?
Yeah, but don't worry, we cleaned it up.
Oh, thank you.
We had a big accident.
She did?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right there.